Hey friends, thanks for joining me today. I wanted just to clue you in on some of the things we do here. So one of the things that we did years ago is we bought a sawmill, and it's been a great tool. So every year we mill our own lumber. We have lumber, we have logs out there that people donate. They donate to us. I cut logs and bring them in and stuff, but we've had a lot of donations of lumber, of just logs that we cut up. So recently, a couple days ago, I milled some of those logs, and so I think I only did 6 logs, but we did some maple, we did some some bigger maple that I use on some bigger projects, quite a bit of maple here. We did some eastern red cedar, which is super pretty. Best part about this is it smells fantastic when you mill it. But we had a couple logs of this eastern red cedar that we milled. And then we have some pine. This piece is kind of dirty, you can't really see it, but this stack is all pine. And then we had some walnut. We did this maple also, and then we did quite a bit of walnut. So this was all milled recently. So what I do with it, I won't use this stuff until next year. I let it dry for about a year. And the way I do that is we have a place in our shop. You can kind of see up above there. This stuff was milled about 2 years ago. So it is way ready to be used, very dry. And so I will be in the process of taking this stuff and stacking it on shelves for us to use, and taking this stuff and putting it up there so it can dry for the next year or so. And then next year when school starts in the fall, we'll be able to use all of this stuff that we milled just recently. So that's what we do. That is one way we have really allowed our students to use different kinds of woods at no cost to them. So it's been a really great thing for us. So far, as we currently sit, I haven't totaled up what this would have costed. Usually I do an estimate. I'll take and I just have a wood price sheet from 2019, so it's been a while ago. I'm not sure what the prices have done since then, but I go off of those prices, I figure out the board footage of what I've milled, and then I calculate that and how much, or I just put it on a spreadsheet and add it to what we've milled. And so far, the wood that we've milled, all that stuff, is over $11,000. It's probably closer to 12, and with this, it's, we're probably getting up there into 12.5, maybe $13,000 worth of lumber that we've milled that our students have been able to use and they haven't had to pay for. So just to shed a little insight on some of the things we do. Thanks so much for watching, friends.